Hello everyone. In this video we'll be discussing regarding recent amendment in Income Tax Act by Finance Act 2020, which is citizenship based taxation. Yes, in India now there is citizenship based taxation as well. Earlier, till previous year 1920, it was used to be resident based taxation, in which all the residents of India, resident definition comes from section 6 of Income Tax Act, all the residents of India were liable in India on their global income, and this section 6 was used to contains provision based on presence in India. And for non-residents, it was source based taxation, that is only income accrue or deemed to be accrue, arise or deemed to be arise in India, or received in India was taxable in India. Otherwise, nothing else was taxable. Now, India has brought in a provision wherein if you are Indian citizen, you will be considered resident of India. This citizenship based amendment has been brought in a way of a resident in the residence concept itself, but actually it is citizenship based taxation. I'll explain how. What provision has been brought in is, if you are Indian citizen and you are not liable to tax in any other jurisdiction by virtue of residence, domicile or any similar fashion, then and there are two conditions: you are not liable by virtue of residence, and you have income other than foreign sourced income of more than 15 lakhs. In that case, you will be considered as resident of India. And however, in the final bill passed, there was certain relaxation. You will be considered resident but not ordinarily resident. Now, how a person can become a resident under this clause is, even if he is not in India for a single day, only by being a citizen of India, he will now be considered resident. What are the implications? In comparison to non-resident, for resident but not ordinary resident, income from a business or profession carried out in India which accrues or arise outside India is also taxable. That is first impact. Second impact is, when you read section 6, there is one clause which converts a resident and not ordinary resident into resident but ordinarily resident. There is one condition that you have to be resident in 2 years out of 10 preceding years. So if you are RNOR because of this clause in this year, it can impact your residency in next 10 years as well. So that is also another impact, long-term impact which can come. So yes, now we can say that India has brought in citizenship-based taxation, although it has been brought in the name of residence-based taxation only. But by virtue of being citizen, even if you are not in India for a single day, you can be considered resident. What is the purpose? Purpose was, there were various HNIs, high net worth individuals, who were managing their ways in such a manner that they were in India for less than 182 days, and in other countries as well, they were in those countries for a prescribed period only, and in such manner they were not liable to tax on their global income in any of such countries. To eliminate such kind of tax avoidance, India has brought in this provision, and yes, it is citizenship based taxation in the name of residence based taxation. Thank you very much.